Who am I and what is... Who am I? Well... Yes, what is my reality? I don't think I have a ready answer. I mean, I could try an answer. If you mean what is it like to be me, it's exactly what it's like to be you. One of the things I've noticed going around doing these kinds of talks is that I truly believe that any one of you could do this. The great frustration of my own life is that I am not a great painter, a great artist, because we need to send people who can paint what they see, who can, through computers and sculpture and whatever, carry the message back. The other thing that I think psychedelics teach, if you do it, this is not what it teaches the first time, but if you give your life to it, it teaches you that death is not dissolution. It teaches you to overcome the one truth that we all accept from science, which is that when you die, you're compost, and that's it. I don't believe it. I think psychedelics secure the existence of the human personality beyond death. And that alone would justify the whole razzmatazz, I think.
Perhaps in this body,
yeah? Yeah, so I think the body is the placenta of the soul. And that when the soul is finished, it can sever its connection to the body. We can bury the body under the apple tree, and the soul will then proceed with its career in a dimension that we cannot even conceive of.